Let's take a look at our ingredients. Jello Instant Devil Foods Mix, 2 cups of milk, and a mixing bowl. Okay, to get started, we'll take our flavoring packet and add it to the bowl. You know, these mixes are actually really easy to work with. The next part we have to do is take our 2 cups of milk and add it to the bowl also. It's really basic steps to do this. Now, using a metal whisk is important for mixing this because it helps mix some air into it and helps it mix quicker. So, it says to stir this for roughly 5 minutes until it turns into the thick pudding that you're ready to eat. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes now and our mix is pretty much done. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is take a cup and take our mix and just simply pour a little bit of it out. And you can see that it comes out really delicious. Now this one's particularly thicker than the chocolate because it's devil's food. So that means it has actually chocolate chunks in it. And that's pretty crazy. So, plain and simple with instant chocolate mix is devil's food. So, there you have it. It's devil's food. Now go ahead and put a little bit of whipped cream on top, and that'll be equally as delicious. So, for Expert Village, I'm Scott. Wow, that's really chocolatey.